इस साल हमने काला घोड़ा में एक घोड़ा लगाया है, उसका नाम है स्पिरिट ऑफ काला घोड़ा। लेकिन आज हमारे सामने यंग लेडी इन द थर्ड रो who danced and danced and danced, and that is the true spirit of Kala Ghoda. शुरुआत में हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं, आखिर में हमें आप सबको धन्यवाद देना पड़ता है खुशी से। और जब हम इतनी बड़ी फेस्टिवल करते हैं, इतना बड़ा समारोह होता है, तो काफी लोग होते हैं जो दिन रात मेहनत करके इस फेस्टिवल को बनाते हैं। हम नहीं, बहुत से लोग हैं। हम तो सबसे कम काम करते हैं, सीक्रेट बट कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ। तो पहले we have to thank Hindustan Times, all our sponsors including Bajaj Electricals, my dear friend Chairman Shekhar Bajaj, his son Anand Bajaj, all the other sponsors, our event management company 70 EMD Sushant, please take a bow with all your people. हमारा बहुत साहस दे रहे हैं कई सालों से। तो मुंबई पुलिस, very difficult job, municipal corporation, collector of Mumbai, other institutions जो हमारा साथ देते हैं, हमारे सब curators and volunteers. This is purely a voluntary effort led by our very capable festival director, Brinda Miller. A big round of applause for all of them. और आखिर में, what makes this festival is all of you. और हमारी जो मेहनत है, उसका सिर्फ एक ही फल है, आपके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट। Your happiness. And what is the greatest point of this festival is this, कि हमारे यहाँ बच्चे आते हैं, आप आते हैं, आपके बुजुर्ग आते हैं, ये सब के लिए है। और इतना कहते हैं मैं कहूँगा अलविदा, मिलेंगे वापस 2018 में। शुक्रिया।
Every year I say, my God, this has been such a tough festival, such a tough festival. I think this is my last year and nobody believes it. But but honestly, of course I'm there, but I really, I've been there. I don't know if any of you know this, but I've been around for at least 16 years. This festival is 18 years old. And I think it has come into its own. It has a wonderful, wonderful group of people working for it. I would particularly like to thank some of you who have been there with me for many, many years and very silently. One of them is Tarana, of course Malti, and Varsha, and Geeta, who can never make it here. She's always at some other venue. And they've worked so tirelessly and really been my backbone and support. But yes, we have a great team, and I would also particularly like to thank 70s, who always, I think we've been married for many, many years. And of course, Tanush and Aditya, and writer is Sushant again, most of all. I'd love to, of course, it's not as if I'm leaving this festival, but I'm there just to kind of be in the background and hope there's a change and some younger people take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Brinda. But I'm sure we'll see you and we'll continue to benefit from your guidance. Thank you, and on to the next. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we should totally do that. Rohini, Rohini. Rohini, the mic is there. Come on, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you, Urmin. I love
Thank you
you.
so much. All right, please
Thank
put your
you.
hands together for Rohini. Do not forget to tune into my show between 2 to 5 on Fever XO FM. Thank you so much. You all have been fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, Urmin. I love this. It's like an RJ का relay race. एक जाते हैं दूसरे आते हैं. It's pretty amazing. All right, guys. You guys have had a fabulous time, and this is what Kalagoda is about. It's about sitting and enjoying the weather and all of this music for free. है कि नहीं? Free के लिए तालियां हो जाए. Free. I mean, come on. Which is why I expect a little bit of love, care and attention from the same audience. Because I know when there are musicians and there are entertainers, it's very easy to give attention, right? Yeah? Because, hey, you know, ये concert देखने मिल रहा है. लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जिनको acknowledge करना इस stage पर भी थोड़ा सा important है. And these are of course our partners, like for example Fortis. Fortis Hospitals, I'm sure you've heard of them. Yes, please give them a big hand already. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. You know, usually this is the job when you say कि sponsor का नाम लेना होता है, and you know the audience, if they're not understanding, they shoot the messenger. You know what I'm talking about. But take my word for this when I say this to you. They've been doing something with Kalagoda for the past 3 years. Okay, if I tell you last year, because of Kalagoda and the association with Fortis Hospitals, 7,000 people pledged to actually donate organs. All right. Okay, so you're here and you're enjoying the music, but it's also for a good cause. Today also, we are actually racking in the numbers, and it's definitely crossed 7,000 donations already this year at Kalagoda, which is only possible because of you guys. Now, जब organ donation की बात आती है, मुझे पता है कि people, it's an uncomfortable topic, right? Because you know it has something to do with after somebody goes. But if some people can actually come and inspire us today, that's why we're here. And before I do all the talking, let me just say it's all about giving. And they really wanted to send one message home that we always have more to give. Which is why I request my friends of the console to actually give us a little bit of an AV that we shall all actually watch. Not forced to watch, we'll watch it because we really want to be part of this message by Fortis Hospitals. Could we have the AV please? Thank you. Doctor, my first question to you is of course, why this initiative? It's something that you've repeatedly told us that we must do. But if you could tell this amazing audience here, because there's a lot of youth here and they can understand this point right away from you.
So we've been associated with this very, very noble cause of organ donation. Organ donation because as we work in the hospital, we realize that there are some conditions for which people die of diseases only because they don't get a new organ. They don't get a liver, they don't get a kidney, they don't get a heart, they don't get a cornea. And just getting this organ can make a difference to their life and bring them back to life. As I speak to you, there was this young boy, 37-year-old in the hospital yesterday, and he was facing death in every way. He was on his final stages and he was on life support systems. And today morning, after a surgery, which happened because he got a heart from Surat, because of a very noble act from a family which donated a heart, the boy is getting back to living life again. He's had his surgery and he's probably going to go back and live again. There's a young girl, 3 years old, waiting for a heart as we talk. So when I say all this to you, I'm sure I don't have to tell you why organ donation is a cause so dear to us, why we work so hard for creating awareness of organ donation. And I thank each and every one of you who's pledged your organs, and my heart goes out and I salute and I'm humbled by the act of those millions of donor families because of whom so many people have got life again today. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for inspiring us. Doctor, please stay with me for a second. But of course, they say seeing is believing. And I'm sure that they'll log on to the website to find out details. But if I tell you at this point, there's actually a family in the wings. Would you like to actually meet a donor family today? Would you do me the honor of actually giving them a round of applause and welcoming them, no less than a celebrity, on the stage of Kalagoda today, because you are here with me for this cause. The audience is with us, and I please welcome on the stage Vasanta Venkatesh's family.
Good evening, everybody. I am Prabha Shah. I was the district chairman for organ donation in Lionism. Nobody was knowing what is the organ donation, and I introduced it in an international Lion Club. The beginning, I thought organ donation means teeth. and they'll make into pieces and remove the organs and just give us a bundle of flesh. So I was not for it. But when I had read in the paper about an organ donation and heard about the doctor from Jupiter Hospital, I was little interested and I went and talked to them. And for an hour I was with him and I got all the things they do before donating and how important it was. So charity begins from home, and I became a district chairman in Lionism, and charity begins at home. So my brother, Venkatesh, his wife expired suddenly last year and she had a brain hemorrhage. So I convinced them and they readily agreed to donate her all organs. And so 6 to 8 people got new life. So my message to you all is, when we donate our property, wealth and gold after death, why not donate our organs? So many people get life, 6 to 8 people get life. So we can remember your person who has left you through them. And it gives a new lease of life to so many people. So I request all of you all to please see that you all donate your organs. Thank you.
That's so wonderful. An appeal for organ donation right here. Of course, I'd like to just mention specifically, because I know that this might make a few of us uncomfortable, but I must do this, okay? Corneas, heart, liver, and 2 kidneys. From one person, that saved 5 lives, ladies and gentlemen. 5 lives. Thank you for honoring us today at Kalagoda. Could I please invite once again Honorary Festival Director Brinda Miller to join us on the stage to felicitate the family of the bereaved. Yes, sir, please, a few words from you.
I request all of you to donate your organ. It's a very, very noble gesture. You have been donating 1,000 rupees, lakh rupees, but donating an organ is a very great work. My wife suddenly expired, and we were very shocked. And then we decided to donate her organ, and she saved 4 lives. One lady got heart was transferred, planted to a lady from Nasik, and she is very active today. And another 3 persons saved her life. That life was saved. I request everybody to donate your organs.
Thank you, Mr. Venkatesh. Thank you so much. Brinda, ma'am, would you please step forward and help us in actually felicitating the family that has done so much already. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, we're here on the stage thanks to Fortis Healthcare Organ Donation Initiative. Remember, all of us have more to give. Could I please request you to also hand over the bouquet, and a big round of applause for our family of the donors as well as Dr. who's here from Fortis Hospitals. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll be right back. I know you are also waiting for some celebrity presence on this stage. I know I can switch modes like a chameleon, so I will. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got some big acts lined up. Sukhwinder Singh! And as I promised you, 2 little birdies, okay? They're called Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan. They're going to be doing the Tama Tama with you. Are you ready? Okay, what you need right now is a little break. So you can take your bums off those seats, shake it up a bit, shake off the cramp, and we'll be right back. I believe there's lots of them outside still waiting. What's up? What's up? You guys are amazing. You know who are those guys? They're the guys who are actually not inside, okay? I want all of... Don't do that. You're very privileged to be sitting on this seat, all right? I want you to do me a favor, because we're all one Mumbai, all right? Give them a huge round of applause. This is for you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Let's maintain the peace and calm. The Mumbai police is doing a great job. Let's be friends with them, all right? And we'll try and see or hear as much as we can. This is Kalagoda 2017. My name is Rohini. You are an amazing audience. We'll be back in just a little bit, guys. Thank you. We're actually backstage. But as always, celebrities, I know this about them, they're slightly hard of hearing once in a while, yeah? And I know that you love them, but I need you to actually call for them, okay? But we're gonna do this in a really cool way. Are you ready? Okay? Yeah, you gotta be ready, huh? This is the grand finale of Kalagoda. Okay? How many boys in the house? Give me a shout. Sir, you are not a girl, sir. What are you doing, sir? Okay. Please just be sure. Okay, how many boys in the house? That's nice. Women, are you ready to make some noise for Varun? The boys are eating you up. What happened to the girls? What's happening, ladies? Mom, calm down. Dad will be very upset. तुम already Mrs. Ramnathan or Ramnathan की दुल्हनिया हो यार. Varun Dhawan, just letting you know my mother is here, okay? Be careful. Ladies and gentlemen, please invite on stage my favorite superstars of this century, Badri and his Dulhania, Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan. What's up? Welcome to Kala Ghoda, man. Welcome to Kala Ghoda.
What's up, Kala Ghoda?
We can't hear you. I'm a Kala Ghoda newbie. I think you all should welcome me with some more love. Thank you.
Honestly, I had come here during Badlapur, and when I was a student in HR, I would often come here with my friends and walk around, and it's just amazing to see how beautiful our city Mumbai is and how we just turn up and do this. I actually have goosebumps, guys. Thank you.
And both Mumbai kids at Kala Ghoda today, let me just say, amazing trailer, amazing music.
What did you guys think of the trailer?
One thing with Badrinath Ki Dulhania, what he wanted to do, actors go all around, they go, they dance, they fall, they do everything for their films. But for Badrinath Ki Dulhania, we wanted to come to specific places and promote the film.
Yeah.
I think Kala Ghoda and you guys will truly get it, because we are people who are born in Mumbai, but we are playing characters from Jhansi and Kota. So
You all are the true heart of the city.
Yeah.
So because it's a heartland film, we have to go to the heart of the city, and we've come right here. So today we've actually decided that we're really going to do everything we can to entertain y'all and just make y'all smile, because
So there are two things. We have two songs out. You know which ones we're talking about? Which ones?
Tama Tama.
Okay, we have people saying Tama Tama
And what's
and...
the other one?
Badri!
So you guys tell us which one you want us to dance on or which one you want to hear before.
Tama Tama!
Tama Tama first?
Tama Tama first? Have you all seen the video?
Yes! Already?
Should we see the video
Okay, but
once
before we
more?
put the video on, you got to do something first. Okay, so when I say Tu Premi, you guys gonna have to say Aha. Tu Premi, Main Premi, Tu Premi, Main Premi. Okay, guys, play.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
You are a people star, both of you. A people star. I haven't seen this craze in many years, I can say that to you. And there's a girl who's completely crazy, and she's here to meet you. We're still part of the Fox Star Date Night. And her name is Aditi Salain. Aditi, are you here with us? Aditi! All right, Aditi, would you please come up on the stage, because baby, you get to do the Tama Tama with our friends Varun and Alia. Aditi, are you here with us? This is your last chance. All right, there she is. Do you want to do the Badri with her instead? It's
Yeah, we could teach you the Badri step as well.
Awesome.
It's quite easy. Actually, the hook step, everyone can hear it. This is a song you don't have to think much about. It's just when you hear it, your hands have to just go this way.
Oh.
But you guys have to do it, huh? So जब हम करेंगे सबके हाथ ऊपर जाएगा. Come on, you're sitting and all. Let's put some moves, some hand
Everyone
moves.
ahead. Everyone ahead.
Uncle, please, you also have to do.
I can see
please.
some really
Uncle.
serious,
Uncle,
super intellectual people
मुझे
over
लग
here.
रहा है कि आप बहुत अच्छे dancer हो.
Uncle, actually, आप जो great t-shirt में बैठे हो, uncle आप.
Oh.
I think
I want to see your hands up.
I think बच्चे को भी बुला लेते हैं.
Yeah, that's it. Age no bar, guys. I want to see everyone's hands up from there to there to
Yeah.
there. Even the police people, if they can, don't get
Yeah.
angry with me. अगर आप हाथ ऊपर, अच्छा नहीं, ठीक है.
ठीक है, आप मत कीजिए.
But okay, let's hear बद्री की दुल्हनिया.
I'm very proud of all of you. सबने हाथ उठाया. The best crowd. Super. Usually लोग करते नहीं है ना, that's why. यहाँ पे हाँ हाँ करके हमको नाचते देखते हैं. And nobody participates, but you all participate. I'm very happy.
The बच्चा party also, thank you yaar so much.
Very nice. आपने तो क्या डांस किया? क्या बो है आपके सर पे? Super.
Actually, main thanks to the बच्चा party क्योंकि हम दोनों, we would not be here if you guys didn't go and watch our film.
आप हमारी सबसे बड़ी पार्टी हो.
Yeah.
बच्चा पार्टी is the only
We
party.
love you. We love you.
Varun, Alia,
Thank you, guys, thank you.
I want to make a request. There's a tradition this year at Kalagoda that you get snapped with the crowd. For which you'll have to stand here, actually put your back towards
we
the
can
audience.
even come here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's our photographer. Would you please? That's our photographer right there. You look towards him.
The बच्चा पार्टी come in the front.
Okay,
Bacha
guys.
party!
Everyone's hands up in the air for this. Let's make
Hands
some
up!
noise, guys.
Chitara Ghoda for selfie.
Woo!
Okay guys, one last time. तू प्रेमी,
आहा, मैं प्रेमी, तू राजी, मैं राजी.
तम मातम.
Thank you, Daddy and Ammas, everyone over here. Thank you all, thank you. Thank you guys.
Thanks,
Really means a lot.
Thank you guys. So we'll see you guys next time. When Varun at the theaters.
Please come March 10th. Please go watch Badri Ki Dulhaniya in the theater. We worked really hard. We all know Alia is an awesome actor. I had to match up, so I had to work doubly harder. No, I really mean it. Sorry, public. But, thank you guys.
Thank you,
We love you.
guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you Mumbai. Thank you Kalagoda. Thank you Hindustan Times.
Badri and his Dulhania. All your love and support, guys.
वरुण सर वरुण सर आलिया मैम दादा पीछे पीछे समाज जरा वरुण सर अरे भाई पीछे आ जाओ अरे यार सर गाड़ी तो निकलने दो भाई अभी निकलवा सकते हैं बाहर